Hi, welcome back to another Too Good To Go unveiling. This is a Morrisons Too Good To Go grocery bag. Though it's a bag, though it does come in a box. Sometimes it comes in a big bag. So I wasn't planning to get one of these, but I have managed to use almost everything from my 2 boxes I bought last week. Usually I'll get 2 boxes every 2 weeks. So that means I've got 4 boxes in the month. So I've got 2 weeks to use the stuff in the box. But I've managed to use mostly everything. Some things, 2 things were lost because they were kind of fermented already. But I saw that there were 3 left on dynamic pricing, which meant they start off at £4.99 and they went down to £3.29. So last time I got 2, which were pretty good. Probably the best ones I got so far. They were also £3.29. So maybe it was the universe trying to tell me that I needed to go out after I'd come back home from work to go and get some more. So I got 2. It's in this big container though. Sometimes this could be onions at the bottom. It could be potatoes. I've already carried a huge bag of potatoes from my little app for free today, so don't need to be lugging anymore. There is a bit of weight to them, so I've got 2. So let's see what we've got. So we've got some tender stem broccoli. We've got 2 lots of that, it seems. So the 2 boxes could be exactly the same, and they could be completely different. We just don't know. We've got some mushrooms, some large mushrooms. 2 lots of large mushrooms there. Some salad, some rocket. Just a little bit ever. So you just don't know what you're going to get. That's the point of it. Salad, tomatoes, some mini carrots. These are like the ones that you feed horses. Not that I've got any horses anywhere near me to feed. So broccoli again. I did just buy some blueberries, but this is never going to be a bad thing. They've lasted really well in the fridge. Although this might be the time where I insert the wah 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 sound effect, so that one's a little gem. Also more blueberries. That's okay. I was thinking earlier if I got blueberries, I could make a blueberry muffin or something. Okay, some more little jams. Okay, some herby baby potatoes. For some reason, these always are just hard. I remember one time we had some for dinner, and they were just so rock solid, even after like an hour or so. What a disappointment. There's 2 lots of them, so let's hope they're not like a rock. Oh, I did get sage before. I haven't done anything with it yet, so any ideas what to do with sage? Some basil. That's alright for some sauce. More basil. Some more. That I've never had Thai basil. That would be really interesting. It smells really fragrant. Is that more basil? More Thai basil. I'll have to look into that. There's a lot of greenery and what on earth is that? What is this? It looks like a straddle of rhubarb. Well, that's no good to anyone, that bit. But I thought I could smell onions somewhere. If the other box has onions in it like this, I'm going to be in trouble. Look at all the onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of spring onions. Or salad onions. I'd rather have these, though, to be honest, than leeks. Although I don't mind the flavour of leeks. I don't know, I'm just not... They just tend to... Box number 2. It may... I'm seeing This is the thing. It could be exactly the same. It could be not exactly the same. So I'm seeing. Okay, I'm seeing grapes. So I am seeing onions again. But I love that it's covered in cling film when we're trying to save the planet here. Oh, that's what I bought. I was gonna say, oh look, but I realised I bought them myself. Okay, let's have a look. There is blueberries in here, so let's have a look. No, there is something different. So although there might be quite a lot of similarities, it is different. So we've got broccoli again, mushrooms, the same rockets, broccoli once more. Yeah, it's looking very much similar. Tomatoes again, little jam. Yeah, it's exactly the same, I think. Bar these seedless grapes. That's not quite the same. I don't think there are some different things in this. There isn't as much onions. 2 more onions, more horse carrots. I don't know, it seems quite adorable to feed a baby horse some carrots. Little jam. These potatoes better not be like a bullet, I'll say. 2 lots of blueberries. More potatoes. We've got some more basil. Oh, yes, this is different. Look. Oh, never had these either. We'll have to find something special for these. Look, they're blood oranges. We'll have to do something with those. This, I haven't had these either. Pea shoots, purple radishes and garlic chive. That's different. And this chicken Caesar salad. So there's running out of room here. Chicken Caesar salad, and Greek style salad. They've actually got Tomorrow's Day on them. So let's have a look. Look at all this greenery. It was I'm taking this as a sign from the universe. If there are 2 good to go boxes left on dynamic pricing for £3.29, and I'm able to get them, I'm going to take it as a sign from the universe that I should be getting them. Of course, this isn't just an actual science. It could just be half of this. It could be 1 bag. I was expecting it to be in a bag. It was already cling filmed up for when I got there, so there was actually 3. So I wonder if someone else did buy the other one, or whether they just condensed some extra bits into a 1. I'm not quite sure. Last time I got more fruit. This time I have got less fruit. Although I've got 4 packs of blueberries, 1 pack of grapes, and 1 pack of oranges. It's more greenery. Salad, broccoli, basil, tomatoes, potatoes, mushrooms. But this will be a good challenge. I mean, the chicken Caesar salad would be a simple one. Could do something with those, merge those together, add some bits to it. Or even just use the chicken out of these and in something else. So this is what we got. And it was a total of £6.58. £3.29 a piece. They usually start off at £5. And because they don't sell throughout the day, you've got from between 11 and 9. And for some reason it changes. Sometimes it's 1 to 9, so not sure. It was actually plummeting down. I came out from the Morrisons and the heavens had opened with a tsunami of water. Luckily I had an umbrella, even if I was wobbling down the road with the 2 bags on either side. Although they were quite evenly weighted, so I guess that kept me upright, I guess. In each hand. So we'll see what we can make with this. I'll have a Google of Thai basil and what to do with some of the other stuff. Maybe we could make a potato salad or something with the potatoes. I don't really eat frittatas, so I'm not really quite sure. I mean, besides eating them as they are. That's an American thing, isn't it? Potato salad. You take a potato salad to your neighbour, or a gathering. I don't really think I've eaten too many potato salads. I definitely think it's an American thing. But we'll see what we can make with this. So I'll leave a link, or I'll flash it on the screen, to my Insta, where you can check out a collage of photos and maybe a quick reel about what I've got up to with all these. And I'd like to just take pictures and see how many dishes we can make with all the stuff we've got. Stuff in your store cupboard, yellow sticker items in the freezer, and see how far we can get with this. So inevitably there will be some waste when some things go off quicker than others, and remembering this all is waste. This is all stuff that would have been wasted, so we'll do the best to try to minimize the waste. And you can also check out all the other videos on the food waste playlist, where we go through different food Too Good To Go boxes. I've got quite a few Morrison ones, some Morrison Bakery ones. I've got an Aldi one, also Starbucks ones too as well. We've had a few Starbucks ones I've been able to document. And you can also check out the yellow sticker playlist, where I go through my yellow sticker finds, from the TK Maxx vinyl clearance to B&M bargains, Tesco clearance, seeing what you can get, what's out there, just sharing it with you guys. If you like that kind of thing, and travel, and food reviews, and whatever else I think up in my brain, then subscribe. Follow me over on Insta if you want to kind of see other things that you don't kind of see here, where things I bake, things I make, and yeah, that's about it. So, and I'll see you in the next video.